Do you have back pain that does not improve with rest? Do you experience muscle pain causes sleep disorders? Or face stomach motility problem? Scientists showed incorrect sitting posture contributes to back pain, spine and respiratory problems, and gastric emptying. So, in this video, we will explain the good sitting positions to help you stay in shape and avoid adverse health problems. Stay with us, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Many people spend the majority of their time every day sitting while they are working, studying, or relaxing at home. Long time sitting can cause a range of health problems and change in posture. In good posture, body is supported by the right muscles. Choosing sitting position depends on the chair and person's height and the type of activity. Here are some tips to choose the proper sitting position. Keep feet flat and rest them on the floor. Avoid crossing knees or ankles. Maintain small gap between the back of the knees and the chair. Keep the knees at the same height or slightly lower than hips. Relax the shoulders. Hold the elbow joint as L shape. Look forward without straining the neck. Keep the back straight and use a cushion in the lower back region if it's more comfortable. Ideally, take at least 10 minutes break for 1 hour of sitting. If you need to work with computer or laptop, keep the monitor at arm's length. Try out different keyboard and mouse types. Avoid neck straining. Put keyboard and mouse close together to avoid reaching. And do a mental check every 10 minutes to see if the posture has altered and then correct any change. Finally, regular exercise 30 minutes 3 times per week will help a lot to keep a right position over sitting. Good job, and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up.